Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
Make the most of home cooking with the COSORI Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven, featuring 10 customizable cooking presets. Connect to the free VSync app to browse for inspiration. Simply select a recipe to automatically apply settings and let the oven do the rest. You can also use the app to turn the oven light on and off, control the power convection fan, check your settings, and track your meal's progress from start to finish.
You can easily connect to Amazon Alexa. Before you get started, turn on Bluetooth. Next, open the VSync app and find the third-party services feature. Tap the Alexa icon and select your smart oven. This will take you to the Alexa app, where you can link your devices. After that, your smart oven will be ready for voice control anytime you need.
Embark on your next delicious adventure with the COSORI Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The high-contrast LED display and precise control knob, together with a sleek, matte finish, bring style and versatility to your countertop. With 12 cooking functions and smart capabilities through the free VSync app, you'll have everything you need to satisfy any craving. Rapid heat circulation and air crisp technology. Cook your food quickly and evenly, so you can whip up new favorites for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and everything in between.